Alright, so question number 11, the last one, right? A cloth having an area of 165 meters square is shaped in the form of a conical tan of radius 5 centimeter. So this is a cloth here, right? So what has happened to this cloth? It has turned into a cone of radius 5 centimeter. So there's how many students can see. If a student covers 5 by 7 meters square on the ground, find also the volume of the cone, right? So remember, see, this cloth has been converted into a cone, right? So this surface area, the surface area of the cloth, becomes the curved surface area of the cone. All right, so you can already see that I have written here area given, radius already given, area of the cloth will become the curved surface area of the cone, right, which have already given us 165 meter square. So here you will understand, you will see that we don't know the slant height, right, and also we don't know the height, because remember, when I try to find the volume of a cone, I have to know the height of the cone. All right, so we have to first find the slant height and the height, then we can put it directly in the formula. Of course, we'll be doing this too. Okay, so first let's try to find the slant height, right? So what is the curved surface area of the cone formula? Pi r L, right? So we're trying to find the L here. Okay, so pi is divided by 7, pretty simple, and then what they've given us a radius to be equal to 5, and we're trying to find the slant height, right? Now we'll do cross multiplication. This 22 into 5 will go down to the denominator, this 7 will go up, right? Then we're having what, 165 into 7 divided by 22 into 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15, 5 threes are 15. Then 22 in 11 twos are 11, 3s are, right? Then I'll have a 21 by 2, which when I divide, I'm going to get it to a 10.5 meter. So now we got the slant height, right? Let's also try to find the height. So just like our previous question, the formula will be what? H equals L square minus R square, right? We know the slant height 10.5, we know the radius 5. So 10.5 into 10.5, we're going to get 110.25, 5 squares 25, and when you subtract these two, we're going to get 85.25, right? So let's try to find the root now, right? Then 85.25, right? We'll start with 9, right? 9 nines are 81. Then 5 minus 4 is 5 minus 1 is 4, right? Because the point is, you're not put it down, then next those two will come down to 5, right? And like I said, we also have to take it into 2, right? 9 twos are 18. All right, then 18 into, let's take 2, then 2 to the 4, 8 to the 16, 2 ones are 3, right? If I take 3, it becomes too much. Okay, so 2, then 2, I'm gonna have a 364. So let's not go more than this. Okay, so what do we get? The height of the cone to be equal to 9.2, right? Now the first question, they ask us what? How many students can sit, right? And where will the students sit? They have to sit here, right? Which means I have to know the area of this circle. All right, so now let's find the base area of the cone is a circle, right? Like I told you. So let's try to find this, right? Area of the circle, pi r square, radius already given to us. Then 20 by 7, and then 5 into 5. Since we cannot divide, simply multiply. We can get 550 by 7. So now we know the area of this base region. Okay, the area. Now let's see, because they said one student, how much it takes for the area taken by one student, how much? 5 by 7 meters square, right? So let's find total number of students that can sit in the 10, total area divided by area required by one student, right? Then I'm going to have a 550 divided by 7 divided by 5 by 7, right? If I try to divide, convert this division into multiplication, nothing happens to the top, but this two, the 5 by 7 will change their position, right? 7 will go up, 5 will come down here, right? So this division into multiplication, I can divide this, then 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5, how much? 0, right? So it's not 100, okay? It will be 110 students. Okay, so how many students can sit? 110 students. Now the last part, they told us to find what? The volume, right? Volume. So pretty simple, 1 by 3 pi r square is, we know the radius, we know the height, so we just have to directly put it, right? Then pi is how much? 22 by 7 into 7, height is 9.2. Then 7 7 7 ones are 7. Now when you multiply these 3, we're going to get 1416.8 divided by 3. When you divide, we're going to get the volume of the cone to be equal to 472.27 meter cube.